They say when you hit rock bottom, there's nowhere to go but up. But what they don't tell you is how lonely it feels down there. How heavy it is to wake up every day with nothing but pain, regret, or silence. You've lost things you thought you'd never lose. Maybe your job, maybe your home, maybe your faith. But if you're still here, still breathing, still fighting, then you haven't lost everything. Because what's left inside you, that fire, that grit, that stubborn refusal to quit, that's the part that builds greatness. This channel is for you, not the ones who had it easy, but the ones who chase the bottom to reach the top.